Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix full storage error after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that once you have updated your phone, you might see the error once you try to install any app, try to get or take photos, try to download anything, you might see the error that the storage is full. So let's see how can you fix that issue. How to simply go ahead to your settings. Now once you are in settings, scroll down, you might see device here, click on it. Or in some phones you might get storage, so you have to select storage from the main setting. But in my phone in A17 there is a storage in device here, click on it. Here you will see an analytic overview of your storage like your usage. Click on this show more, or there's a show more button. Click on show more and you might see that which app or which thing is taking more space in your system, like this videos, images, audio file, document, installation file, compressed file, app, system file, other file, and recycle bin. So the very first thing I recommend how to clean your recycle bin, or then you can go to videos here and delete the videos you don't need. Click on the select option and just select the videos you don't want. I'm gonna select all here. Just click on all, and once you are here, click on this delete all button and it will move your videos to recycle bin. Once they're moved to recycle bin, go back to recycle bin and clean them from there. After that, you can also do the same thing with your videos and audio files and document compressed files. Now then there's apps. You have to select apps, and here you will see that which app is using more space in your phone. So let's say I want to share the first one from here. It's taking more space on my phone. You can also try to uninstall it from here. It will completely delete this app and free up its storage. Or you can go to storage here. If you need this app, you usually use this app. So you can try to clear cache, and you can also try to clear data. So I recommend you to don't clear data because it will delete your account from your app. So if you clear the data, you have to re-log in after clearing that app. Once you have done this, go back. You can also try to uninstall this app if you usually don't use this. Go back from here. You can do the same thing with other apps. After that, the system is the system folder. You cannot use this folder, or you can also cannot manage this folder. You can go to other files here and just select the files you don't need. Like there are some cache files, so you can try to select all and delete them. You can also get info here. There's the uncategorized, so you might see some junk files here. Just select them all and try to delete them if you can. So it will help you to get more space on your phone. But if your phone can use SD cards, I recommend you have to get an SD card of almost 32 to 64 GB, and you can move your videos and your photos to that SD card to save them on your phone. But it will help you to get more space in your phone. I recommend you how to use your SD card to manage your videos, photos, and files. Your apps and your system data must be stored on your phone. So in this way, you can easily fix your storage issues and your Samsung Galaxy A17, A37, or A57. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.